You're Billy Two Feathers. You know who I am?
You're P.T. Boomer. And you left this valley a long time ago.
You nearly caused an accident.
Now I'm back. I'm looking for Burnett Stone. Where is he?
Wherever he wants to be.
Playing innocent like everyone else in this town won't work. I'll find him.
Yes, there is innocence here. Don't mess with it.
Oh, have a wonderful trip. Good to see you. Oh, hi. Hello, Shining Time Station Manager Stacy Jones speaking. Oh, yes. The 10:15 from Pelican Falls to Shining Time is right on schedule. You're welcome. Hello. Have a wonderful trip. Great time. Oh, Billy, I found this child's drawing in an old locker in the Lost and Found. Look at the signature, Billy. Burnett Stone. It's hard to believe Grumpy Burnett could have ever looked that happy.
Oh, Burnett had a wonderful smile. And he loved railroading, too. Here, Stacy. These flowers got knocked out of their basket. Maybe some water will help them live longer.
Why are they broken?
Because a man called Boomer's back in town, and he doesn't believe in magic. Well, hello, Mr. Conductor.
Oh, hello, Billy. Toolkit, check. Ticket puncher, check, check. All aboard! Just testing, Billy. I mustn't let my conducting skills get rusty.
Important day, Mr. C.
It is a very important day. I'm going to the island of Sodor. You know, it's the only place in my universe where I really fit in size-wise. Sir Topham Hatt has given me a big responsibility.
Diesel 10 is back.
And I have to make sure that he behaves himself. Excuse me, Billy.
I hope your visit goes well, Mr. C.
Thank you, Billy. I must be responsible, reliable, and... Don't tell me. Really useful. I knew that.
What does Diesel 10 mean about unfinished business? I think he's looking for something. Or some engine. Oh, poor engine.
Go away, you fussy fly. You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for. To stop engines crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James?
My wheels were feeling worn out with work, so Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I can be a really useful engine. And when I have, I can come out again.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt says the harder we work, the less he'll need Diesel to
Help you? You will always need help, because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Aren't.
Arr! I've come back to dominate you and to destroy her. When I'm done with my plan, she'll be nothing but useless scrap.
Big bully!
You won't dominate, and you won't destroy. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor.
Who's her?